As you can see, it's possible to make money on YouTube using other content. It's a bit of work, but it's still much easier than being in front of the camera, editing and producing content. With that in mind, there are many other ways to make money on YouTube without producing videos. So, in this video, we'll show you exactly that, how you can earn money without even making a single video. For more videos like this, you should definitely look to our channel, Hungry Dollar. If you already subscribed, then let's see our ways of making money. You can post work from other content creators. The easiest and most common way to make money on YouTube without creating videos is to post third-party content. For example, YouTube allows you to post video content from other video creators through a strategy known as aggregation. In other words, you curate content instead of publishing original clips. So it's no surprise that aggregating or curating content saves a lot of time. It also helps attract viewers who are interested in what you share. For example, the YouTube channel Movie Coverage collects movie trailers for viewers. At the time of writing, it's over 1.03 million subscribers. Here's how to do it. YouTube allows you to post full original third-party clips on your YouTube channel. However, you must get explicit permission from the party in question and properly tag the video to avoid copyright infringement. Failure to do so may result in a notification from YouTube that a third-party provider has been found. The app sends a notification when it detects that something in your video belongs to someone else. In some cases, the company may run ads in the video and pass the revenue on to the publisher. The company can also block the video or even disable your account if you seriously violate the terms of service. Sometimes, YouTube inadvertently sends notifications about matching third-party publishers. If you follow the rules and believe it's a mistake, you can try to challenge the warning. Whatever you do, you can't afford to ignore this kind of notification. Otherwise, this could harm your account and end your opportunities to earn money immediately. Many content producers have successfully used Creative Commons license when publishing videos. When a content producer publishes a video with a Creative Commons license, the original producer retains ownership of the content. However, the license gives you the ability to use his or her work in your videos or on your channel. If you're interested in this approach, search for the video term you want to use. When the results appear, click the filter button and select Creative Commons before the list of features. This will bring up a targeted list of free videos that you can republish. Take a close look at each license and make sure you comply with the terms of the license. Some licenses include strict conditions that explain how you can use the material. So, it's in your best interest to pay attention. In many cases, you can publish videos exactly as they appear. You may also be able to use videos as part of larger compilations. You can start a blog. Blogging is a great way to make money from YouTube. Every time you scroll through a popular blog and see a YouTube video embedded in it, the site owner is probably making money from it. If you have what it takes, you should start a free blog on WordPress and post videos to supplement your content. You can use most third-party videos as long as you tag them with the owner's name. You can publish alternative content. You don't necessarily have to post traditional videos on YouTube that have you in front of the camera. For example, you can also publish audio files, album compilations, or even images of slide files and presentations. Suppose you publish a weekly audio podcast. You could post a recording of the podcast along with an engaging background image on your YouTube channel and get paid for the views. Do you happen to have a business? You can also post audio presentations with PowerPoint slides on YouTube to provide educational content to current and potential customers. If your content is very valuable, you can gain subscribers and create advertising opportunities. You can become a YouTube consultant. The vast majority of YouTubers aren't going to get rich. Many people start channels only to give up after realizing how difficult the process is and how long it takes to make money. For this reason, there are more and more opportunities to work as a YouTube consultant. If you know your way around YouTube, you can make money helping other YouTubers and business plan, implement, and optimize their content. You can coach people on camera, help the content strategy, write voiceover scripts, and get involved with analytics and SEO keyword research. Start by offering your service on a site like Fiverr. You can approach business owners in your network and offer to manage their YouTube pages for a set monthly fee. How much you can charge depends on the complexity of the tasks. For starters, an approximate hourly rate of $50 is reasonable if you know what you're doing and the client has a marketing budget. Sign up with sites like Nielsen. Nielsen is a leading market research company that pays subscribers $50 a year just for sharing data about their internet usage. In other words, if you sign up with Nielsen, you can make money just by watching YouTube and give Nielsen access to your viewing habits. This approach is safe, non-invasive, and requires nothing more than surfing the web and watching content. Directly work for YouTube. I know it might look cliche, but if you're passionate about YouTube and social media, it could lead to an exciting and rewarding career in online media. If you're a big YouTube fan, it could be worth it to work for the Google subsidiary, either online or in its 8 offices. The average annual salary for YouTube employees is $60,141 per year, or about $29 per hour. Plus, you'll have a brand name on your resume, which should speed up your future job search. You can also buy a YouTube channel. Basically, there's no rule that says you have to build a YouTube channel from scratch. If you have some money to spare, you can jumpstart your YouTube ambitions by buying an existing channel from another subscriber. This way, you can start with an existing subscriber base and content library. Selling merchandise is always great. Consider setting up an e-commerce site on a platform like Shopify and adding merchandise like t-shirts and mugs to your YouTube videos. Creating additional items is a proven way to make more money and draw attention to your channel. For example, you could post a viral video of a large group of golden retrievers playing and then sell t-shirts with images from the video to your audience. We also have a great tip. Put your YouTube channel's name on the t-shirt for extra exposure. And we have some stuff you should be careful about while working on a big project like this. Market your channel. Unfortunately, just posting content on YouTube won't get you very far. It takes a fair amount of marketing and optimization to stand out from the crowd. Optimize your channel. YouTube Studio offers many helpful reporting features and analytics tools that you can use to optimize and improve your channel. Here are some of the key performance indicators that YouTube marketers spend the most time improving. Be careful of the total dwell time, a measure of how much time viewers spend watching your videos. Check your viewer engagement. This helps determine if your content is captivating viewers and keeping them coming back. Look for the traffic source. Using YouTube's analytics tools, you can find out where traffic is coming from. By determining how users get to your content, you can figure out what they're interested in and find ways to keep them on your channel instead of browsing elsewhere. See your subscriber demographics. Looking at your subscriber demographics will give you a better idea who your viewers are and where they're coming from. This in turn can help you figure out what types of content to create. Look at the video engagement, critical to success on YouTube. Over time, you'll want to see which videos get the most likes, shares, and comments. Your goal should be to create engaging content that users can interact with and share. Wow, that was detailed, huh? And with that, you are ready to make money, even if you don't have any videos. Also, for more videos like this, you can always subscribe to our channel, Hungry Dollar, for more videos like this. If you did, we'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.